What's up, Big Bird Nation? It's Big Bird! This is my second video. I'm gonna post it up in the morning, and my first video is basically the start of my channel. Um, this video is going to be a little bit more about me, and so yeah. If you have any ideas for a video, please comment down below and I will look at them. And so let's get into the video. Um, well, first, I'm Brent. My real name is Brent Brightman. I'm 17 and I'm 7 foot tall. I have a illness, genetic disease called Marfan syndrome, and I've had it since I was 13 years old. I originally live in Springfield, Ohio, and uh, I live close to a funeral home, which is kind of scary as fuck. Anyway, I do have a girlfriend, Bay. Anyway, so I have 3 dogs, 1 cat, and I do want to give a shout out to one of my best friends, 2 of my best friends, Shooter Hayes and Cyrus the Virus TBCC. They help me out. They make myself believe more. Cyrus made me had me believe in God and started making me believe again. And so for that, I want you guys to go subscribe to him and show him some love and support. And Shooter Hayes, he's done a video about me in the past, which is the story of Brent Brightman. It's on YouTube on Cyrus's channel. Go check that out. And yeah, I think that's it, guys, for the second video. I'm gonna go. I love you guys. Peace.